guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable always on display in iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So this always on display feature is rolling out in iPhone 14. So to enable or disable this feature, first you need to open your iPhone settings like this. In the settings, scroll down and find out display and brightness. Okay, just open it, and in the display settings, scroll down. At the end you can get the option always on. If you want to enable the always on display on your phone, just you need to enable this option. If you want to disable it, just you need to turn off this option. That's it, very simple. So this is the easy and very simple method to enable or disable always on display on your iPhone 14 Pro. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.